What if I tell you that Bitcoin is gearing up for the next bigger move, and I have proof in the charts? Hi and welcome back, guys. I definitely gonna jump here straight into the content, but just in a second, take a moment and please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also hit the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And before I go here to the specific chart where we see the next bigger move for Bitcoin happening, I just want to show you what's happening here on the daily chart, guys. So here, unfortunately, not much has changed. The Bitcoin price is still trading under $20,600, and that is the next resistance for Bitcoin to break here to get back above this upward sloping support line that we definitely have to get above here in the immediate short term, so that we can attack higher resistance levels and higher prices. Unless that is not happening, we should still be prepared for lower prices here. So, and this daily candle right now on this Friday is not, Thursday, is not looking all too good here. So, and we should be prepared to see Bitcoin going here slightly lower, especially if we break here under $19,560. That is a level that I'm closely watching right now here on the daily chart. So also the EMA ribbons, we're still in a downtrend. Yeah, you see it here. We are in a clear downtrend. We just flipped here 2 weeks ago into this downtrend. So, and that can still go on for another 2 weeks. Unless the Bitcoin price comes here really quick back up and stays above the ribbon, so that the ribbon can flip again back to the upside, and we see a continuation to the upside. But for now, it's not looking all too good here. More likely what we're gonna see here is a retest of the EMA ribbon here to the upside, so that we get here to 21K approximately, and see then a further rejection and then a continued downtrend in potentially $18,000. But I still believe that we will not get under this low point here, under this lower low from $17,600 approximately. So if we get to 18K, it would be not all that too bad. We would create a higher low, and then we have also a clear structure that would point to a mid to long term reversal for the Bitcoin price back to the upside and leading into a new potential bull run. So now if we go here, however, into lower time frames, so first of all, I did not see anybody talking about this, that we have here a potential diamond pattern. So, and these diamond patterns, they are by textbook bearish patterns, especially if we come out of a bearish move. Point to this point, and then to the potential break down point. So, and you see that would bring us down all the way to $18,600 if this diamond pattern is playing out here. The only thing what is missing here on the 4-hourly chart is actually that we have here a clearly strong candle going to the upside with a wick straight to the downside. But in my opinion, this is still qualifying as a distorted diamond pattern here. And also here the stochastic RSI is not looking all too good here. So this should become in 4 hours a potential buy signal, but the way that it is shaped right now, this will bounce off the red line and create then a further small sell-off here in the Bitcoin price. So when we go on the 1-hourly chart, so then we can also clearly distinct where we have right now support and resistance for the Bitcoin price. We have clear resistance here in that area from 20,300 all the way up to 20,400, and under us we have from 19,800 all the way down to 19,550. Then support here on the 1-hourly chart, and we are forming here this symmetrical triangle pattern, so which is also about to break down, which is also just logical as we are in a downtrend. So, and that is then by textbook a continuation pattern and should take us further down. So we can also have a look when we are measuring this one to which price action. So yeah, this is taking us down to which price level. So this is also $19,100 where this could take us potentially down. So both patterns are, in my opinion, really nice patterns that we can trade here. So if we break, let's say, 19,800, we could start shorting this to the technical target of $19,000, $19,100. So, and there we could take initial profit. And then when we go back to the diamond pattern, then we could also, after we have taken profits and have then also set our stop loss to break even, then we could aim for this lower target of 18,600 with the rest of our position. So if you want to do this together with me, guys, don't forget on BYBIT you still get $4,400 in bonuses if you use here my specific link, guys. It's really important that you use only this link. Only with this link you will get the $4,500 in bonuses after you deposit a little bit of money on the exchange. And also on BitGet, there you still get $8,000 in free bonuses with 15% discount on the fees, also only with that specific link, guys. And it's the end of the month so it is already the new month. So later today in my Telegram group we will send the track for last month's paid signets group. So if you want to make money on a daily base with me and my team together, we are sending 3 to 5 signets every single day, highly profitable. Then definitely contact my staff. They will hook you up with everything what you need. Or if you want to join my free Telegram channel, you can also do that. And there every couple of days I'm also sharing a trade that I'm taking myself in real time. So and here this potential short position could be the next trade that I might be taking here. So and if we take it here now from 18,800, so my stop would be around right about here. So if we take it then into the target, you see, so that is actually a nice trade. That's a 3.87 risk to reward ratio. So that means if I place $100 and I win this trade, I would win $387. So, and if the trade goes against me here with 1.5%, if I place $100, I could lose $15. So that is a nice risk to reward ratio, and that is something that I'm definitely willing to take here on this specific trade. So and yeah, that's what it is, guys. So there is when we're looking on the weekly chart, also nothing that we can be happy about besides the low prices where we can scoop up cheap Bitcoin, and the hash ribbon here coming out in green. Not much to say because we have to get over the 200 weekly EMA here, yeah, to get back into an uptrend also on the macro structure. That is not the case right now, so we can only hope that over the weekend the Bitcoin price is pumping back to the upside to get above there, because otherwise we have the second week where we are trading underneath, since we just pumped up here for a short period of time, the second week in a row where we're again under the 200 weekly EMA, and that is definitely not good because that could suggest that in this massive falling wedge here we actually come down to touch the bottom here once again before we then shoot back up and break out of this bigger falling wedge, even though we got here already the final capitulation on the hash ribbons and we have turned green here. So the bigger reversal and the next big uptrend is not that far away. We are a couple of weeks potentially away from that. But yeah, this until this is happening, we could see a lot of blood still in the streets. And of course, things like Michael Saylor getting sued now don't really help the Bitcoin price. Guys, that's it already for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and see you then again tomorrow.